Okay, so I did jump the gun a little bit when I started to criticize Microsoft for not having a Surface Audio app available for Android on day one. For whatever reason, it didn't show up for me, but I have it now. I was able to update the Surface Earbuds, and now I'm ready to give my thoughts on it. Let's jump into the review. So I had the Surface Earbuds for almost a week now, and the battery life has been solid. After like day 4 was like the first time I had to charge them, but I've been using them non-stop and the battery life has been holding up, so it's true to its all-day battery life. Two of the standout features was the integration with Office as well as the integration with Spotify. I don't use either of them, and the Office integration sound really cool, but I don't know how practical it is. Seems kind of weird to me to do a presentation with these earbuds in your ears. During my unboxing, I didn't have the best experience with call quality. There was a lot of hissing, like it was like white noise, and I heard a lot of white noise on my end. On the other end, there was a lot of echo. But after the update, I could say the hissing white noise kind of decreased, but on the other end, there was still a lot of echo, and I tried making phone calls outside, inside, no matter where I was. The person on the other end kept on saying the same thing. There was like a lot of echo. So the call quality for me was not that great. As far as the sound quality, overall, they sound pretty good. They're not going to blow you away by any means. It lacks bass, but it is very clear. It sounds balanced. Inside the Surface Audio app, you can make some adjustments using the equalizer. It all sounds pretty much the same no matter which setting I use. You can make some adjustments in there, but overall, the sound quality is just okay. One thing I was really impressed by is the fit. Even though the earbuds has some questionable design choices, they fit quite well. At one point, I forgot one was in my ear and I didn't notice it till like an hour later. Though they fit really well, I wouldn't suggest working out with these. These are a little bit on the bigger size and I don't think they will hold up throughout a workout. Though the extra air tips that comes with them, you can interchange them really easily, and the packages comes in is quite reusable. Okay, let's jump into some of the things that I don't like. And number one, it's the lack of wireless charging. It's 2020, and at this price point, it just has to have wireless charging. And for whatever reason, it does not. It doesn't even have any quick charging. I am happy though, it has USB Type C at least. The Surface Audio app is really limited in functionality. Outside of the equalizer, you cannot make any changes to the gesture controls. This is an issue for me because I don't use Spotify, and the triple tap to open Spotify, you can't reconfigure to use anything else. Like I would like to reconfigure it to like open the app of my choice, but it really just doesn't do anything if you don't have Spotify. Also, the gesture controls are quite confusing. The gestures are split between the two earbuds, so like the right side will only handle going doing the volume up and down, and the left side will handle changing tracks. And it just really confuses me 'cause I can never remember what side does what, and then most of the times I'm wearing just one earbud, and if I want to control the volume or change the track on one earbud, you just can't do both if you're just wearing one earbud. Another thing I don't like, there is no noise cancellation. There's no passive noise cancellation, there's no active noise cancellation, and the way these fit, it's like they fit like the original AirPods, where it's just in there but there's no like seal, so all noise just come in. It's like everything from the outside comes in. You can't block anything out. And at this price point, again, you would expect some type of noise cancellation at this price point. Outside of the things I personally don't like, there are quite a bit of problems that I have been having. And one of them is just the random disconnect from audio. Even though the earbuds are connected and I can still like do gestures or whatever with it, the sound just is not coming through. The sound is still coming through my phone and not the earbuds. It's just weird. It happens from time to time, and I just can't explain it because I know they're connected. It says it's connected. I can still control stuff from the earbuds, but there's just no sound coming through them. And then after a little while, the sound start coming back again. Also, the white noise. The white noise is pretty consistent whether you're listening to music, whether you're using the assistant, whatever you're making a phone call. It's pretty annoying. It has reduced, from the update that came out, but it's still persistent. I'm not trying to like rain on Microsoft parade, but there's more. The left earbud does not pair directly with your phone. It pairs through the right earbud. So it lets you connect the right earbud first. You can't use the left earbud independently. But once you connect the right earbud, you can use the left one independently, but it's still kind of like flaky if you're on a phone call. Sometimes the audio quality is even worse if the right one is not connected too. It's pretty odd, and I would expect more from Microsoft on a software point. So overall, what do I think about the Surface Earbuds? If these would have came out 2 years ago, they would be great. If you plan on using the Office 365 integration, these are great. Due to the price point and the current competition out there, these fall short in a lot of different ways, and I personally couldn't recommend them. This is also a personal preference, but these things are ugly. They grew on me over a few days, but I think I got about every single joke that someone can come up with every time I wore these around someone. Like, so it's not just me that think they look ridiculous. Other people too have really think they look ridiculous. But anyway, hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button. And if you really found it useful, please subscribe. This was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. I'm out.